hello once again. This video, so this is my own car. I have pretty much gadget installed in here, but the main thing, I don't like it because I cannot find nowhere to buy OEM fit wireless charger, and I don't like to throw things here and so. So now I will try to make here the place so this thing I don't use so much, and I will try to make the custom fit wireless charger for my phone. And this is I have started with this, so the whole idea is to make some plastic to make the plastic things for this part, like this. This is from carton board, cut it, and now I will find one plastic and make it from the plastic, and then I will put the wireless charger coils and connect it to car to see how it will be this. Okay, so I found this box. This is a black plastic, and I think it will be good for me because it have this angle here, and I can use it to make the perfect fit there. Now I will put this here and make the copy it, and then I will use this wireless charging coils, and I will connect it to 12-volt power, so the whole charger will be like OEM fit in this car. I hope so. So after I cut and I make this plastic, so this is plastic, you see, have this curved angle. So when I place it in this place, you see, it will came in perfect place. And for now I'm very happy with this mold, or how to call it, because it's have perfect in perfect place. Now the only thing is to put the electronic parts inside, and then I think this is done. Okay. So this is that plastic part, see, and it's now I put this tape so I can see in which place will I mount this charger. And now I will make some plastic parts that I will put here where this charger coil need to be fixed, and so it is not directly on this plastic sticked. This is only for the measurement purpose. And then since there I I will not have anything else but just this charger, I will not put the back side of this, so let it have air. The next step, what I did is I use this spacers, what I don't know how to call it in English. So this spacer is made for electronic boards, so you can fix the things. And now I have glue it with Mega Bond. You see, this is two component glue, and Now I'll wait to cure. After that, I will unscrew this charger, and then there will stay only this tiny bolts, so I can fix the board. So in the future, if something happened with this coils, wireless coil charger, I can switch it. I can just switch, so I don't need to make from the beginning. Now I will wait to cure this glue, and then I will go with wiring. So I need to put the wires. This wireless charger is 12 volt, and I will connect it in car with some accessory wire when I put the key, so the charger will start charging. When I pull the key out, the charger will stop charging. That is the safe way. Okay, now the glue is cured, and this is how we'll put in. Here I have made one hole so I can see LED lights on the charger, and you see, now you can remove the charger from this plate, and you can change it with another one. See? And here is that screw that we glued, so we can fix the charger, the coils of the charger. See? So here I put two wires. This charger have two places where you can plug this power. You see, you can plug it by this switch here down, but this is not good for this project because here I have the plastic in car, so I cannot put this kind of on. But you also can solder here plus GND and 12 volt, and then the charger will work. You see, I have made this extension cable so I can hook it inside of the center console. Okay, now all is ready. Only we will test it here on the table. I will give the power, and the LED light show that the charger is ready. When I turn it like this, I have here light, and when I put the phone, the light changed to blue, and the charger start to charge the phone. Now we will disassemble this part so we can find the accessory 12 volt. We must remove this cover, see, like this. Then we have here Torx 20. Okay, we will remove this knob and then gently we will lift here this part. It's only have clips, see, like this, and then we will unplug this light here. Must use some tool. Okay. Move this panel. So I'm trying to find the accessory wire for wireless charger. I'm trying to find some good wire. So because the wireless charger need minimal 2 amp to charge. This you have here one kind of a clip, and also you have one here up. So you remove it and then you unclip all this panel. You see, it's only the clips here that hold in space. Now when you open this, you will find this bunch of wires here, and you don't believe the colors, so you take this test. Probably all have the same. This yellow here in this car is accessory wire, you see, and when I pull the key I don't have power. When I put the key I have power. So this is solid 12 volt for wireless charger. Also I checked already, this wire, yellow and green, is the ground wire. So I will connect here, will connect 12 volt, and here I will connect the ground. Okay, so I connect here this brown with yellow and the green. So this is ground. For me the brown wire is ground, and this blue is 12 volt. I will solder the wires. I solder all the wires when I work something. So here I will solder wires. Okay, this is I will solder another this 12 volt. Wow, be careful so you don't touch these two wires when you soldering, because this is ground, this is 12 volt, so you will have the blown fuse. Also I will mention one thing. Now many people do the one mistake when they connect the wires like this. Okay, I'll put this side. Now when you see this, so many people connect the wires like this, so they have 12 volt and they have ground. After that they go to cut the wires, and they cut two wires in one time. So this cutter is from metal, so probably you will burn the fuse because you will connect the plus and the GND, so 12 volt and GND, and you will blow the fuse in the car. So when you cut the wire, you cut it one wire by one, okay? So we pull this wire that we connect down there. This is wires from the charger. You see, here is the charger. Now I will connect these two wires. I put this just to make sure I will not touch any ground. So the blue will go to blue, and the ground will go to ground. So now when I put the keys, I will get the red dot, and then when I put the mobile, it starts to charge. Charger is here in place. The finish is like original. This logotype is cool. So when I start the car, the red light means that the recharger is ready. Give me the phone, hey. Give me the phone. Need extra phone. Now I'll put this phone here and to start charging. Okay. Now this is cool. Now I'm happy. Thanks.